Hi, and welcome back. Are you ready for a general knowledge quiz? Let's go. What year did World War II end? Is it A, 1943, B, 1947, or C, 1945? World War II ended in 1945 with the surrender of Germany and Japan, marking the conclusion of the global conflict that had lasted 6 years. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Is it A, Buzz Aldrin, B, Neil Armstrong, or C, John Glenn? Neil Armstrong was the first human to set foot on the moon during the Apollo 11 mission on July 20, 1969, making history as a pivotal moment in space exploration. In which year did the Berlin Wall fall? Is it A, 1987, B, 1989, or C, 1991? The Berlin Wall fell in 1989, symbolizing the end of the Cold War and the eventual reunification of Germany, marking a significant political transformation. Which ancient wonder was located in Alexandria? Is it A, the lighthouse, B, the Colossus, or C, the Hanging Gardens? The Lighthouse of Alexandria was one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, located in Egypt and known for its impressive architectural and technological achievements. What was the name of the ship that brought the Pilgrims to America in 1620? Is it A, Victory, B, Mayflower, or C, Santa Maria? The Mayflower transported the first English pilgrims to North America in 1620, establishing Plymouth Colony and playing a crucial role in early American settlement. Which empire built the Colosseum in Rome? Is it A, Roman Empire, B, Greek Empire, or C, Byzantine Empire? The Roman Empire constructed the Colosseum in Rome as a massive amphitheater for public spectacles, showcasing their advanced engineering and cultural practices. Who invented the printing press in the 15th century? Is it A, Leonardo da Vinci, B, Johannes Gutenberg, or C, Galileo Galilei? Johannes Gutenberg invented the movable type printing press around 1440, revolutionizing information dissemination and contributing significantly to the spread of knowledge. What was the name of the first satellite launched into space? Is it A, Apollo 1, B, Explorer 1, or C, Sputnik 1? Sputnik 1 was the first artificial satellite launched by the Soviet Union in 1957, marking the beginning of the space age and intensifying the space race. What is the largest ocean on Earth? Is it A, Pacific Ocean, B, Indian Ocean, or C, Atlantic Ocean? The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean on Earth, covering approximately 63 million square miles and representing about 46% of the Earth's water surface. Which country has the most time zones? Is it A, France, B, United States, or C, Russia? France actually has the most time zones due to its overseas territories, spanning multiple continents and maritime regions. What is the capital city of Australia? Is it A, Sydney, B, Canberra, or C, Melbourne? Canberra was purposely designed to be the national capital, located between Sydney and Melbourne to resolve a rivalry. It became the capital in 1927. Which is the longest river in the world? Is it A, Yangtze, B, Amazon, or C, Nile? The Nile River is considered the longest river due to its total length, which extends approximately 6,750 kilometers through multiple African countries. Mount Everest is located on the border between which 2 countries? Is it A, Nepal and China, B. India and China, or C. Nepal and India? Mount Everest sits directly on the border between Nepal and China, with its peak straddling both countries in the Himalayan mountain range. What is the smallest country in the world by area? Is it A. Monaco, B. Vatican City, or C. San Marino? Vatican City is recognized by the United Nations as the smallest independent state, covering just 0.44 square kilometers. Which desert is the largest hot desert in the world? Is it A. Sahara Desert, B. Arabian Desert, or C. Gobi Desert? The Sahara Desert covers approximately 9,200,000 square kilometers across North Africa, making it the world's largest hot desert. What is the deepest point in the Earth's oceans? Is it A. Mariana Trench, B. Java Trench, or C. Puerto Rico Trench? The Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean reaches approximately 11,000 meters deep, making it the deepest known point on Earth. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Is it A. Au, B. Go, or C. Ag? Au is the chemical symbol for gold, derived from its Latin name aurum, which means shining dawn. How many planets are in our solar system? Is it A. 9, B. 7, or C. 8? After Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006, our solar system officially contains 8 planets. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Is it A. Titanium, B. Diamond, or C. Quartz? Diamond's molecular structure of tightly bonded carbon atoms makes it the hardest naturally occurring substance on Earth. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere during photosynthesis? Is it A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, or C. Nitrogen? During photosynthesis, plants absorb carbon dioxide and use sunlight to convert it into energy and oxygen. Which planet is known as the red planet? Is it A. Mars, B. Venus, or C. Jupiter? Mars is known as the red planet due to its reddish appearance caused by iron oxide, rust, on its surface. Its distinctive color makes it easily recognizable among other planets in our solar system. In which sport would you perform a slam dunk? Is it A. Volleyball, B. Basketball, or C. Tennis? A slam dunk is a signature scoring move in basketball where a player jumps and forcefully puts the ball directly through the hoop. It is a high-percentage shot that is both dramatic and effective. How many players are on a standard soccer team on the field? Is it A. 9, B. 11, or C. 13? In standard soccer, football, each team has 11 players on the field, including 10 outfield players and 1 goalkeeper. This has been the standard team size in professional soccer for many decades. Which country hosted the 2016 Summer Olympics? Is it A. China, B. Brazil, or C. United Kingdom? The 2016 Summer Olympics were held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, marking the first time the Olympic Games were hosted in South America. It was a significant event for the country and the continent. What is the maximum score possible with a single dart throw in standard darts? Is it A. 50, B. 70, or C. 60? In standard darts, the maximum score for a single dart throw is 60, which can be achieved by hitting the triple 20 segment on the dartboard. This is considered the highest scoring single dart throw. In tennis, what is a score of 0 called? Is it A. nil, B. love, or C. blank? In tennis, the term love is used to represent a score of 0. This unique terminology is specific to tennis and has been used for many years in the sport. Who directed the movie Titanic? Is it A, James Cameron, B, Steven Spielberg, or C, Christopher Nolan? James Cameron directed Titanic, a blockbuster film released in 1997 that became one of the highest-grossing movies of all time. Cameron is known for his groundbreaking work in film technology and storytelling. Which band performed the hit song Bohemian Rhapsody? Is it A, The Beatles, B, Queen, or C, Led Zeppelin? Queen, led by Freddie Mercury, performed the iconic song Bohemian Rhapsody. The song is renowned for its complex musical structure and is considered a classic in rock music history. In which fictional city does Batman protect the citizens? Is it A, Metropolis, B, Star City, or C, Gotham City? Gotham City is the fictional urban setting where Batman operates as a superhero, protecting citizens from criminals. It is typically portrayed as a dark, crime-ridden metropolis. What was the first feature-length animated movie ever released? Is it A, Pinocchio, B, Fantasia, or C, Snow White? Snow White was the first full-length animated feature film produced by Walt Disney Productions. It was groundbreaking in its animation techniques and storytelling. Which TV series features the character Walter White? Is it A, Breaking Bad, B, The Wire, or C, Better Call Saul? Breaking Bad centers on Walter White, a chemistry teacher turned methamphetamine manufacturer, and is considered one of the most critically acclaimed TV series of all time. What is the name of the wizard school in Harry Potter? Is it A, Hogwarts, B, Beauxbaton, or C, Durmstrang? Hogwarts is the primary setting in J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter series, where young witches and wizards learn magic and have their adventures. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Is it A, Michelangelo, B, Leonardo da Vinci, or C, Raphael? Leonardo da Vinci was a renowned Renaissance artist known for his extraordinary skill and innovative techniques, making him the definitive creator of the Mona Lisa. In which museum is the Mona Lisa displayed? Is it A, Uffizi Gallery, B, British Museum, or C, Louvre Museum? The Louvre is the world's largest art museum and home to the Mona Lisa, which has been part of its collection since 1797. Which composer wrote the famous Moonlight Sonata? Is it A, Beethoven, B, Bach, or C, Mozart? Beethoven was a prolific composer of the classical and romantic periods, and the Moonlight Sonata is one of his most famous piano compositions. What style of art is Pablo Picasso most famous for co-founding? Is it A, Impressionism, B, Cubism, or C, Surrealism? Picasso, along with Georges Braque, developed Cubism, a revolutionary art style that broke objects down into geometric shapes and multiple perspectives. Which famous sculpture was created by Michelangelo? Is it A, David, B, Venus de Milo, or C, The Thinker? David is a masterpiece by Michelangelo, sculpted between 1501 and 1504, depicting the biblical hero and considered a symbol of Florentine freedom. In what year was the first iPhone released? Is it A, 2009, B, 2005, or C, 2007? 2007 marked the first release of the iPhone by Steve Jobs, which revolutionized mobile technology and smartphone design. Who is the founder of Microsoft? Is it A, Elon Musk, B, Steve Jobs, or C, Bill Gates? Bill Gates co-founded Microsoft in 1975 and played a pivotal role in bringing personal computing to homes worldwide. What does HTTP stand for? Is it A, High Text Transfer Protocol, B, Hypertechnical Transfer Program, or C, Hypertext Transfer Protocol? Hypertext Transfer Protocol is the foundational communication protocol used for transmitting data over the Internet, enabling web browsing and data exchange between web servers and clients. Which company developed the Android operating system? Is it A, Microsoft, B, Apple, or C, Google? Google acquired Android Inc. in 2005 and developed the Android operating system as an open-source mobile platform, which has become the most widely used smartphone OS globally. What is the name of the programming language created by Sun Microsystems? Is it A, Java, B, C++, or C, Python? Java was created by Sun Microsystems, now owned by Oracle, as a versatile, object-oriented programming language designed to be platform-independent and widely applicable. What is the most spoken language in the world by number of native speakers? Is it A, Spanish, B, English, or C, Mandarin Chinese? Mandarin Chinese has the most native speakers due to China's large population, with over 900 million people speaking it as their first language. How many bones are in the adult human body? Is it A, 196, B, 216, or C, 206? The adult human body contains 206 bones, which provide structure, support movement, protect organs, and produce blood cells. What is the currency of Japan? Is it A, yuan, B, won, or C, yen? The yen is the official currency of Japan, represented by the symbol Y and used in all financial transactions within the country. Which element has the atomic number 1? Is it A, helium, B, hydrogen, or C, oxygen? Hydrogen is the first element in the periodic table with an atomic number of 1, consisting of 1 proton and 1 electron. What is the largest mammal on Earth? Is it A, blue whale, B, African elephant, or C, giraffe? The blue whale is the largest known animal to ever exist, growing up to 100 feet long and weighing up to 200 tons. How many continents are there on Earth? Is it A, 5, B, 6, or C, 7? There are 7 continents: North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. What is the main ingredient in traditional Japanese miso soup? Is it A, fermented soybean paste, B, rice vinegar, or C, soy sauce? Miso soup is traditionally made with dashi and miso, a fermented soybean paste that provides its distinctive umami flavor. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.